welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my backpack. I love the one that I chose. And so, let's get unboxing. Okay, so I got my backpack. I did cute little flowers, so let's unbox it together. Okay, stand up actually to unbox it. Oh. Got it out of packaging. Now you gotta put it out of this thing here. I have no clue what it is. It's so cute. Okay. Ready for the final result. So cute. I love it. Let's see if it has anything anywhere. I don't know what that is. Really cute though. I love it. So this is it. And we can adjust it, but I don't know if we'll need to actually. Wait, we might. But this is the backpack. And so yeah, it did not come with a matching lunchbox, but it's okay. I've got tons of other lunchboxes. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to push the subscribe button and bye.